Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, we are actually discussing about data types. So in the previous video, we discussed about static properties and static methods and instance method of a number. Okay, let's discuss today number.prototype.toFixed method. It's a instance method of number. So let's jump into the code. So here you are seeing these are the six instance methods of a number. Okay, so now we are discussing about number.prototype.toFixed method. What it will do? It will format the number using the fixed point notation. Okay, do you got anything? So let's jump into the code. Here I have written some code for that. So here I have written the function. Okay, see that function I am calling in the console. Okay, here I have two parameters. Okay, so and I am returning this number.parsefloat.toFixed. Here parsefloat will act like a prototype. So you know this parsefloat means what? In the previous video we discussed it, right? So and for this we are applying this toFixed method. In that we are passing parameter y. Y means here number 2 and x means number 123.456. So what will happen? We'll see. See here getting 123.456. Do you observe anything? So yeah, I can say here we are using this toFixed method, right? So what it is doing is it is rounding up a number. So we have 123.456, but we got 123.46 only. So it is rounding up this 456 into 46 using this parameter. Okay, if I apply 1 here, so it is rounding up to 5. Okay, I hope you understood this. Using this parameter, we are rounding up this number. After the point, whatever the numbers we have, we are rounding up those numbers using this toFixed method. We are passing parameter for that. Okay. So here are the examples you can see. So this is the one more examples. We are having 0.004, but we applied 1 as a parameter. So it is taking the first value. It is rounding up to the 0. Okay. And we have one more example also. Okay. You can see here we are applying an exponential. We have exponential number. We didn't pass any parameter for this toFixed in this. Okay. So it is printing that exponential number in string format. Okay. If you want to know that, I will show you that yeah, I will show you in the next coming video, example. So these are the examples I have. I will show you all the scenarios how this will work. So here we have one number and we are assigning to the one constant variable. So this variable will act like a prototype. So for that prototype we are applying toFixed method. Okay. So I already told you toFixed method will round up the number after the point. Whatever the number we have, it will round up the based on the parameter which we passed. So in this line number 240, we are not passing any parameter in the toFixed method. So what it will do? We'll see now. So you can see line number 240, right? Yeah, you are seeing this line number 240. This is that. So it is directly printing entire number. It is not printing after the point. Whatever the numbers we have, it is not printing after the point. Okay. So in the next line 241, we are passing one parameter number 1. Okay, that's why it is rounding up to the 1. Okay, means if you are passing here two numbers, number 2, it will round up to 6 digits. Okay, if you pass one digit only, it will if you give the number 1 only, it will round up to one digit only. Okay, I hope you understood that. And here in the line number 243 we are having that exponential number, and we are trying to round up that. So that exponential number, this is the one. Okay, for that exponential number, actually not having any it's not a fraction value. Okay, but we are applying two fixed, right? So if I didn't apply, what will happen? So it's not a fraction value. There is no point in this number. That's why here we didn't apply it. That's why it is directly printing. If we apply any number here, I am applying 1. We'll see. So it is giving one digit after the point, even though there is no point also. Okay, I hope you understood this. And then next example, line number 244. So the same thing is happening. It is giving the two numbers after the point. It is rounding up. It is doing two things actually. One is rounding up the number after point, whatever the numbers we have. And second thing is, based on the parameter, it is giving that digits. If you are trying to round it up in three digits, you have to give the 3. We have to pass the 3 here. Okay, here are the examples. Okay, I hope you understood all these positive numbers. We have given the positive number. So if we give the negative number, what will happen? See, here are the some examples. I didn't give in this in console. I will give now. Okay, console.log. Okay, here we have to give one more bracket, and this console just copy and paste here, and one more bracket we have to give. See, we are getting negative values only. We are passing negative number, that's why we are getting negative number only, and we are passing 1 as a parameter to this fixed method, that's why we are getting one digits only. If we are passing 2, I will show you, you will get 3 4. Okay, if you pass 3 or okay 4, you will get zeros. Sorry, it is rounding up. I hope you understood. Thank you.